Hi guys, I thought today we will install Conky UI because we get rid of the limitation of Celero, and also you can use custom voices with Conky if we can get it to work. So let's see. So first, as always, we go in the Anaconda environment. Start our lovely Oobabooga. And
to hear that you're hoping for.
let's see. So, um, I guess to get problems out of the way, we should first not uninstall but unclick Celero.
To hear that you're hoping for.
And yeah, that's the one, Conky. We try this. And perhaps we get an error.
To hear that you're hoping for.
I already thought this would happen. So we tried the update wizard. B, install, update extension and requirements. And H is concrete TTS. C. Guess this takes a little longer, and I am back if this is finished. Hi guys, as we see, we run into some lovely extension errors as we suggested. Let's see. So, request transformers 4.462 bigger for 3, but you have transformers for. Yes, so we are newer perhaps. Yeah, let's see if we can just upgrade the requirements. Not sure if this works, but this should always be our first try. Oh, as I remember, this name is Concrete here. Okay. Why I doesn't find anything? Oh. So after I fixed my command line, it should work again. So copy. And this take a while too, so I'll be back if this is ready. No, this was really quick. So let's try to start this beast. and see what happens. So far, so good. Keep fingers crossed. Ah, it takes a while. Concrete always takes a bit longer at the start because I show you later. There is a folder where you can put in a WAV file, which should be 10 seconds, and it clones this voice. It's just really just drag in a WAV file in the folder, and you are ready to go. And this is why it takes a bit at the start. Uh, every time it starts, it resamples, I guess, the WAV file to make it available in Oobabooga. So let's see, does it start? Yes, I think so. And here it is. Voila. We can do the same show message under the web player and um, can try the voice. It's really similar to Celero. Hi, I am. Let's see. Okay. I guess you don't hear her. So let's try again.
Hi, I'm Shihari Yamada.
So this is two voices.
Hi, I am Chiharu Yamada.
And the famous Ani.
Hi, I am Chiharu Yamada.
So we go with one and let's see if it's really functioning. You just ask her, hi, how are you? And see. Ah, I didn't have load a model yet, so we have to do this. Transformers. Yeah, looks good. And meanwhile this is loading, I show you where it's really easy. It's text generation UI, extensions. Let's see. Concrete. It's not, it's voices. And you see here are the three, and you just can make your own WAV file. It's really easy. You have, there are online converters. Most you get MP3, get a good quality, um, convert them into WAV, and you are ready. Just drag them in. Don't do too much voices, otherwise your start will be a bit long. But yeah, it's as easy as that. So let's see. Hi, how are you?
To see you. I'm doing great. Just buzzing with
I guess after I restarted, yeah, you see my error. We have to put this out. Restart it.
To see you.
So we don't want to have two voices. Delete it.
To hear from you. I've been doing really well. Just knee-deep in some exciting new projects and experiments. I've been spending a lot of time exploring the capabilities of different large language.
See, it's working. So now we have solved two problems. That Celero just can handle short text, and Concrete can do much longer texts. And also you can now have your favorite voice, or you can record yourself and put it in the voices folder and make the LLM sound like yourself. So have fun with it. Bye.